Beryllium treatment.
Yes. Beryllium treatment.
What is
is
the difference in this?
in beryllium and the other treatment.
Or this treatment?
Okay. So beryllium treatment is typically done in sapphires, not in rubies. In sapphire, you can have various kind of treatment. One is where you are giving only heat and gas, and you are not giving any flux. No chemicals are used. Those were the ones that I showed you, which were basically conversion of white to blue. So there, what we are doing is we are only giving heat and all these are where we are giving only gas and heat. No chemical is used. Now, in certain materials do not respond to this, and like Somnia will always remain green whatever you do, whatever heat you give, whatever gases you give. Those kind of materials, when we treat them with beryllium material, then at very high temperatures and very long lengths, then they become more yellow or more orange, and you can see the colors here basically. So this is a beryllium treatment that has been done.
So beryllium works as a coloring agent? Does it melt with this?
No, it does not work as a coloring agent. The mechanism is difficult, and I have written an article and I can email it to you on that.
Okay.
How it works, it will be difficult to describe it here.
Okay, no problem.
Yeah, but what it does is it changes the configuration so that you get more yellow and orangish yellow material.
And oxygen and hydrogen you use, that is for oxidization and reduction, or
Yes.
for something else?
Yes, for oxidation.
And one thing, you have told that you are working with Indian materials, so especially Indian ruby that is called corundum. You have not explained anything about that. So is it in experimental stage, or you have already?
Yes. At the moment, no Indian material or almost no Indian material is treatable by normal standard technologies that are being used in worldwide, including Thailand and Sri Lanka. So we are working on that, and once we are successful, a lot of Indian material can be treated, and that will be a big, plus for the Indian trade.
So what is the reason that Indian material cannot be treated?
Indian material has a lot of inclusions like dolomite, calcite, which become opaque at very low temperatures. So you cannot go to high temperatures, and there are layers of these material which make it opaque. So that material is not treated.
Thank you.
It is not.
Components are hazardous chemicals.
Definitely they
So
are.
when we treat it, this gemstone with beryllium, does it harmful to our health or not?
Emerald is beryllium aluminum silicate.
Yeah, but
so if you touch emerald, nothing happens. So
Yeah.
the same thing. Once beryllium goes inside this material, nothing will happen. Okay. It is only when you are treating it, when it is at 1700 degrees centigrade, the fumes that are coming out are poisonous, and you have to be careful with that. The same is true for lead glass. All the glass that Swarovski sells is basically, they write minimum 24% lead, and the crystal ware that we use may have minimum 24% lead. So lead is in glass is not poisonous, but if you have lead while making glass, the lead that is coming, or the fumes that are coming, are poisonous. So what you have to be careful is that while the treatment is being done, there is good ventilation, and you do the treatment. But after the treatment has been done, none of these materials that come out are poisonous or have any ill effect.
so that is only related to lab safety.
Yes.
And lead filled ruby is not also harmful for health?
As I explained to you, lead glass is not harmful.
Yeah.
While you are doing it, if you are handling lead and lead material, and if you are inhaling it, or if it is, if the gases that are coming from the furnace are being inhaled, then it is poisonous. But after that,
Lead filled ruby is not. Then why is it banned in US?
it is not bad.
Not banned.
As I said, we will start that treatment of emeralds maybe after March 2010.
After.
Any other questions?
Without treatment, how the Bangkok material looks?
I don't have the Bangkok material, but I have shown you the Madagascar and Mozambique material before and after treatment. This is before and that is after. This is Mozambique before and after. Madagascar before and after.
You don't have Bangkok material?
I don't have.
Can we predict something? How will it change?
With experience, yes.